Hi, I'm Michael, and I'm going to show you the app I built. It's called GameRankr. GameRankr lets you track all the video games you want to play or have played. It also lets you rate and review those games. And once you do that, you can see what all your friends are playing and comment on each other's games. I'll dive right in. So this is the main page. You can kind of browse popular games here. Up at the top, it shows games that are recently popular. You can tap on them. Down here, it's all the recent reviews. I see Amelia's added a couple recently. The next tab is updates. To get your updates, you need to sign in so we know who you are, so we can show you the right updates. This will pull in your friends from Facebook and show you what they're doing on GameRankr. So I'm going to sign in. Continue. I've already signed in, so it won't ask me for permissions here, but it's basically the same flow when you are a brand new user. So it loaded up all of my friend updates. I can see, Ross recently added some games. Cool. I know he's been playing Kingdom Hearts forever. The next tab is search. I'll come back to this one. Then you have my games. This is every game I've ever added to GameRankr. There's quite a few. So to make it easier for myself, I added a search here, so I can just search for like Metal Gear. That's what I'm kind of playing right now. There's a lot of different stuff on here, but you'll notice I've only really played 2 of the Metal Gear games before. You can also like filter by how you've added the games. So when you add a game, you add it to a shelf. By default, I think adding games, if you just star rate, it'll add it to played, noting that you've played the game. I think the rest of these are pretty self-explanatory. So I want to search for games that, let's say Mario games that I've played. So I type in that. It's super easy, and I can see every Mario game I've ever played before. Or, you can go up here and say his competitor, Sonic. That's the My Games feature. You can clear my search, so it just shows everything again. You can see your profile. Pretty basic, your shelves, and a list of what you've done recently, like which games you've added. You can see which friends have also joined the site, so I can browse their profiles individually. Let's see, I know Amelia, I had a question for her. You can click on anybody's reviews, like this one, and leave a comment. And if Amelia doesn't have it turned off, it'll send her an email notification. I'll show you how to add some games next. Let's look at a game I have recently beaten. I mentioned it before, Metal Gear. Metal Gear 5. So you can add different editions of the game. I want to switch to my edition because I already added it. Oops. So I'm going to go to PlayStation 4. You can see I've already added it to currently playing, owned, and played, but I just beat it, so I'll add it to beat it. And, adding a star rating, so you just tap, you can write a review. I already wrote this. And it just shows up right here. Then everyone else who comes to this game will be able to see my review on the game page, and my friends will see that in my updates. Let's add another game. I heard recently Ori and the Blind Forest has a sequel coming out, so let's look for that. I guess Will of the Wisps. I kind of prefer to play it on PlayStation, but it looks like it's only on Xbox One announced so far. So let's add it. I want to play this. Cool. So now if I go to My Games, I go up to the top, it shows up, and Metal Gear shows up with the star rating I added. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching my video. That's all the basics of the GameRankr iOS app. I hope you like my app. I hope you try it out. And if you have any feedback on that or the website, this is also GameRankr is also a fully, like, all of these features are also available on GameRankr.com, GameRankr.com. I'll put the videos in the description. But yeah, if you have any feedback, let me know through the contact link on the website, or in YouTube comments is fine too. Thanks for watching.